I got this mic for free in exchange for an honest review. So that's exactly what I'm going to give you.
So this is going to be my review of the VM50 by VeGue. It's a USB condenser microphone for under 50 bucks. Comes with a USB cable, of course. Not sure how to get it out of this packaging. There we go. Kind of grab it by that handle. So pretty simple right out of the package. Just got the mic, the cable, and the instructions. I do think it is quite beautiful, very aesthetic. Definitely a great piece of equipment. I wouldn't mind having on the desk. It is constructed entirely of metal, so it feels heavy, feels strong and sturdy. Right out of the box, it's on this stand, and you can adjust the angle of the tilt for the microphone and tighten it with this knob here. It's got the shield on it, which helps prevent the popping noise from the letter P. If you don't want the pop filter on there, you can take them off by squeezing these little clips on the sides and just sliding it off. And I just noticed this, but this stand is actually a shock mount as well. So if it's sitting on your desk, it should absorb small knocks to the desk so you don't hear those. That's a cool feature. On the bottom, there's a spot to plug in headphones and also to plug in the USB. So of course, that's where we plug in the cable. And then the other side of the cable is actually 2-in-1. So you can plug it into a computer or maybe a laptop with the standard USB or the USB-C. When it's plugged in, it gives this nice glow. And when you push in the volume knob, it turns red. That's to indicate that it's muted. I will say that the volume knob seems a little loose. It's got a little wiggle to it, but we'll test it out and see how it actually performs. So I propped it up on a couple books just to bring it to my height. I'm also going to adjust it so that it's pointing straight at my mouth, and I'm turning the volume knob to about halfway. Okay, with all those things set up, I'm going to switch now to this mic so you can see how it sounds. Testing 1, 2, 1, 2. This is how the mic sounds. Now, I'm talking a little loud. That's just how I talk. But I hope that you can see that it's a huge improvement over my camera's microphone. In fact, I'm going to turn this down just a little bit because I'm afraid that I'm speaking too loud and I'm actually overpowering the mic. How's that sound? Is that better? You tell me. It looks good according to Audacity, but I don't know how to read these things. I'm not really an audio guy. I just go by what sounds good, and I think this sounds great. Now, it only has one pickup pattern, and that's directly facing you, along with some general ambiance from the room. It's a great mic for one person talking and recording themselves. Let's do another test. I'm going to turn this all the way up. Now I'm whispering really, really quietly. This is the ASMR test. You tell me. How does it sound? Now we're going to test the mute button. So I'm talking. Now I'm talking. Tell me, did the mute button work? Now I'm speaking about 6 inches away from the microphone. So let's see what it sounds like if I'm a little bit further from the microphone. I'm going to take it off these books. Okay, now the mic is about a foot away from my face. And this is what it sounds like. I'm speaking at about the same volume. It looks like I can actually turn this up just a little bit and it'll pick me up better. Now it's about halfway again. Looks good to me, but once again, I'm not an audio guy. Tell me what it sounds like to you, but this could be the perfect mic. It's literally half the price of the last one I reviewed. And even though I was sent this one for free, all these opinions are my own. If I would have seen this one before, I might have bought this one instead. Now, if you need different types of pickup patterns, this isn't the one for you. It just has that one pickup pattern. But if that's all you need, then man, this is a great deal. Check it out on Amazon. There's a link in the description. I do get a small commission if you click that link and purchase it. But yeah, I think this is a great deal. And if you're an average guy like me, maybe you think so too.